there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeandMoney.com. Today I have yet another amazing software. This one is called Bookly Pro and is from Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bavra. And this one, in a nutshell, is an AI application that works with Google Bard and Leonardo AI to actually create ebooks, which varies. Ebooks like children's story ebook, mystery ebooks, science fiction ebook, and of course poems and legal documents and professional presentations and books that you can see, and including also creating the cover of the book that you are going to actually produce with this very one. It's a unique application that you are going to use to create a book online, which is ebooks that you can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Selfie, you can sell on even some of the outlets like Digital Tool and the rest of them. And of course, this means you can create any book on any subject, including children books. Everything you want, you're going to do with this one, as long as you have the intention of actually creating books online with AI, where you use your voice command and the basic idea to actually create wonderful books on anything for children, for whatever you want. And this is an amazing one from Anirudh Bavra, and it's going live today, the 28th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is Central European Time 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. And of course, at that time, this is going to be in operation, and you'll be able to actually pick up a copy of this at that time. If you stick with me, believe me, I'm going to take you to the very members area, which is exactly the dashboard of this product. Also show you the bonuses that I have for you, and also of course show you the pricing for this one. Now let us take a look at what Anirudh Bavra and Amit Gaikwad, my friends, said about this. That is a brand new 100% Google Bard and Leonardo AI powered application that creates professionally looking 50,000 plus children's school story ebooks, subjective ebooks, fiction ebooks, mystery ebooks, and of course science fiction ebooks, like I said before, novels, poems, and legal documentation and project report presentations. And it is loaded with beautiful templates and powerful AI images with 100% PLR rights for a one-time low price. And that is about $19 if we go to the price now, guys. So that's basically what you have here. If you stick with me, I will take you through this very roller coaster of a product, and then we will be able to look at how it works and possibly play the demo video of this product in action before we go. At any time you decide, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. I do this release every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online and create passive income, active income, whatever income you want. So this is the intention, and this is the purpose of this review, as well as others. Now let's see if we can go through the sales page together and look at some of the benefits. The first to market next generation technology that creates professional books and ebooks, and business documents like never before. You instantly grab your share of the huge 28 billion professional books and business documentary library industry, okay? And you create premium mind-blowing books using this very AI, and documents loaded with stunning images to convert visitors into customers. And you create and sell professional documents in any variety of formats, including ePub. Of course, you have PDF and MOBI, and you bank big with distributing these documents to a variety of platforms such as online retailers, social media marketers, affiliate marketers, and email marketers. All are included in this. You make professional books, business documents, and everything you want, and then never worry about paying huge money to monthly expensive third-party subscriptions. And of course, it's 100% easy to use because it's beginner friendly, which is basically one of the most important things, so that you don't need any special skills to actually get this to work for you. Okay, just follow simple and copy and paste instructions, and you'll be able to do so. Okay, so we will leave the rest of the review to you, but briefly let us look at all the testimonials you have here. This is what Troy Milligan said. Are you unlocking the future, harnessing the power of Bookly Pro to revolutionize automated services? He says he loves it. And of course, this guy said, wow, I am looking for this type of book, Brookly, for a long time, those features were of immense benefit in my digital marketing agency. Okay, so the rest you can see for yourself and go through the sales page. But this is exactly what the publishers, things, companies that are doing similar things that this very AI is going to do for you. Like this Publish Drive, they made about $10 million a year, and here you have the Podia, $2.4 million, and you have here what you call PayHib, 1.6 million per year, and SendOut makes 1.5, 2.3, and 28 billion for Amazon Books. And fortunately for me, I am one of the beneficiaries because I have my book on Amazon Kindle called The Nature of Satan. So you can imagine I know about the goodness of this if you are applying to actually create income online using publishing ebooks, which I mean, you don't have to. If you like to publish paperback, good too, but ebooks is digitally read, and people sort of drive towards this very generation of ebooks. Okay, so it's up to you to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But I think I am looking at a business in a box for anyone who is looking to start or who has been frustrated from one thing or the other online. This may be another way to check out and start making money online. Okay, so in any case, I will leave the rest of this review of the sales page to you so that we can have time to go through the other programs we'll have on the review. But I bet you will be able to use this one at your own time and see if this is going to be for you. Now let us take a look at the very members area of this amazing ebook creator application from Meet the Acquired. And you have Story Creator, which is where you create your story. If you click on it, let's see what is going to happen. I think it's not operational from now due to the fact that the product is going to come up around that 5 p.m. So probably by that time everything will be working. Now enter keywords. Sometimes Google does not respond as expected, therefore modify your prompt. Okay, let's say kids dream. Okay, let us see if we can generate a content on that, and we add cover by selecting image. Okay, kids dream of many things. Some kids dream of being a doctor, a firefighter, or a teacher. Other kids dream of traveling the world, meeting new people, or learning new things. No matter what the dream is, dreams are a reflection of their hopes and aspirations. And you have the image. This is another section, paragraph, I guess, and there is an image that you can put here depending on the image you choose from the stock you have with this application. So generally you have the idea of how these things work and how many pages you want. You'll be able to enter all of that. This is the books maker, novel creator, poem creator, formal letter, project reports, presentation maker, and custom content. And here you produce the e-cover for this one if you want to generate ebook, for example. So I will leave without going into more details with this. Let us play the demo video of this video in action so that we'll see exactly how it is done, how this very dashboard is going to be applied. I mean, it saves us time and makes it very easy for you to understand, because video education is one thing that is going to actually help anybody understand, because when you watch, you apply at the dashboard when you eventually get this program. And anytime you decide to buy, that first link below in my description area will take you to the sales page where you pick up a button that will give you access to that. Now back to my channel. Now this is the bonus page of mine where we are going to actually look at my bonuses. But before we look at the bonuses, let us look at the pricing for this very product, which is very, very cheap in my understanding. And the front end goes for $19, and it has the tendency to go to $27 after the 5-day launch of this very product. And of course you have the upgrade number 1, which is the pro version. It goes for $37 downsell, and this one you will be able to use this to remove watermarks of Powered by Brookly, and of course create white label ebooks, remove watermarks from images, and unlock formal letter maker. Okay, and the rest of the integration with Pixabay, Pixel, and Unsplash. Okay, so you see it's very, very good. Now you have the upgrade number 2, which is the unlimited version of this great product. It's go for $37. You have basically everything unlimited. If there are shortcomings on the front end, you definitely cover all that with this unlimited version, and it's quite advisable for you to get if you want to get the best of this product. Now you have the OTO number 3, which is the upgrade number 3. It's called the ultimate. It goes for 37 as well. Everything is basically 37 here. And you have the OTO number 4, upgrade number 4, booklet pages, goes for 37 as well. And you have also OTO number 5, upgrade number 5, which is the agency, goes for 97. And of course you have also the reseller, which is the ability to resell this product as if it's your own and keep profit across the entire funnel 100%, and you have it for $97 as well. OTO number 7, the white label, which means you can e-brand entire tool with your own name and sell it as if it's your own, and if you sell 1 million copies, everything belongs to you, and you can add your own branding, your own logo and product name. I mean, this is like, you know, rinsing and repeating and all that with a little bit of tweaks here and there. So I mean, that's what you have as the price. They are quite affordable for what it does, and I will encourage anybody who really wants to create ebooks but have not had time to actually go into studying how it is done. This very application makes it very easy for you. So that's the essence and the beauty of this value that is being created here, as you can see. But for now, let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which believe me are going to be training courses and definitely software that are going to give you insane amount of value. Okay, now the bonus number 1 will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits. This one helps you make money with NFTs on blockchain exchange for digital ads, and of course you can have the TweetX, which is the bonus number 4, which is a training course and a Chrome extension that is going to teach you actually how to very much siphon traffic from Twitter, which is now X, to any offer or link of your choice. You have also the number 3 bonus, which is Insurgency, a mega training course on how you can master Facebook ads or for affiliate marketing, actually, which is one of the best business models as long as I'm concerned. And of course you have the bonus number 4, which is the lazy traffic sniper. This is a training that's going to teach you how to snipe traffic from nowhere online and of course direct that to any offer of your choice. And you also have the bonus number 5, which is this JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot technology application that is going to actually help you create bots and of course in turn drive traffic to your offers. So it's all about traffic, which enables you make up to 4-figure daily commissions. Now you have also the number 6 bonus, which is Lockdown Formula, my favorite training course on how to start online. If you are looking to start online and you don't know what to do on any niche of your choice, this very training course from my mentor John Armstrong is going to actually help you do exactly that. That's why it was developed during the lockdown of the 2020 COVID-19 saga, and of course that was what helped a lot of people, and people like me come into this business of trying to review products online. And of course you can see how far I've gone in over 2 years. Now you have the bonus number 7, which is a commission toolbox that gives you over 1,000 tools on different capabilities online, including background removers, link shorteners, image editors, video editors, and basically most of them are free. Okay, so over 1,000 links. Now what else are you waiting for? Use that first link below in my description, and of course subscribe and comment. And of course, if you have any ideas on how to improve the channel, do not forget to do so. And of course, use the bell icon for notifications. Now at any point you buy this product, if you click on that first link below in my description area, like I told you before, it's going to take you to the sales page, where you are going to find a page that is going to give you access to this product. Let me see if we can take a look and see if we can get any one of the links so that you see exactly what it looks like, in case you see it, so that you know you don't miss it. Okay, so now this is it, exactly green in color. If you click it, it's going to take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you buy this product. After your purchase, guys, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This one will give you access to this very Bookly Pro application, which works with AI, and you have this blue one giving you access to these crazy and insane bonuses that I have for you. And I mean it's very, very good incentive, as you can see. Now let us see if we can round up on this amazing product from Anirudh Bavura and Amit Gaikwad, going live today, the 20th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and which is European Central Time, 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. At that time, this button is going to be operational, and then of course that is when you use my link, first one below in the description, to actually get a copy. I will leave also the link to the demo video of this amazing product in the description. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. I will come back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeandMoneyWay.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.